Hey guys, so we're going to review how to simplify radicals. So recall that the square root of 20 is an irrational number, meaning we do not know the exact value of the square root of 20. We know how to find an approximate decimal value, but in order to know the exact value, I would actually have to leave this number inside the radical. I can, however, simplify the radical. In order to do that, we're going to break apart this number 20 and try to find all of its prime factors. So let's split up 20 into any factor pair. I know that 4 times 5 equals 20. I'm going to take a look and see if either of these are prime. The number 4 is not prime because I can break it up further. But 5 is prime. I can't go any further with this guy, so I'm going to highlight him and keep him to the side for later. 4, we said we can break up into 2 times 2. And that's as far as I can go with those numbers. I can't split up 2 any further, so I'm going to highlight both of those. And these are the prime factors of 20, meaning 2 times 2 is 4, times 5 is 20. This is equivalent. So what I can do is look for pairs of prime factors, meaning any set that are identical. So I have here a pair of 2's, and I have a leftover 5. So as I go to record my answer, I'm going to be writing my answer as some amount that I can pull out of the radical times some amount left over inside the radical. Anytime I find a pair, I can pull out one of those numbers to sit in front of the radical. Anything that does not have a pair is stuck inside and is considered to be left over. So the simplified version of radical 20 is 2 radical 5. Let's try another one that's a little bit more complex. Let's take the square root of 180. Again, I can split this up into any pair of factors that I can think of, but I'm thinking of 18 and 10 because this ends in a 0. Now I'm just going to break up anything I can as far as I can. So 18 can be broken up into 9 and 2, and 9 can be broken up into 3 and 3. So this is as far as I can go on this branch. I ended with 2 3's and a 2. Let's go over to the other branch. I can break up 10 further into 2 and 5. So that's as far as I can go here. And now I'm going to start to look for pairs of prime numbers. Here I see a set of 3's. I see a set of 2's. And I see a lone 5. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull out a 3. I also can pull out a 2, and I have a leftover 5 left inside the radical. What do you think I should put between the 3 and the 2? Well, multiplication. So we are going to multiply these two numbers. 6 radical 5 is your most simplified answer.